Changamire mzimudzoka, oiye mzimudzoka. Changamire mzimudzoka, oiye mzimudzoka. Tovera vana tichapera, oiye mzimudzoka. Tovera pasira oma, oiye mzimudzoka. Vana vanorwara mzimudzoka kwaziwa ichiuya. Vana vanochema mzimudzoka kwaziwa itovera. Vana vanorwara mzimudzoka kwaziwa ichiuya. Shuwa vana vanochema mzimudzoka. Tovera mzimudzoka, oiye mzimudzoka. Tovera vana tichapera, oiye mzimudzoka.
Yes, thank you so much, viewers. You are watching a thumb piano, a musical instrument that comes from Zimbabwe, which is popularly known as Mbira. My name is Sylvester Tafumana, and our guest artist today is Tendai Mavengeni. She has played with several musicians locally and internationally. I can only say she's an international artist. That means to say you start at home and then you end up being an international artist. We have come here to learn more about the thumb piano, as well as understand where she's coming from and where she is going. And I would want to welcome her in the program today as we continue to give you the Zimbabwean artists that are also making it abroad. Welcome to this program, Tendai.
Thank you so much, Sylvester. Thank
Yes.
you so much.
You are Tendai Mavengeni. Where do you hail from?
From Chipinge.
From Chipinge?
Yes.
Are you telling me in Chipinge there are people that play Mbira in Chipinge, or you just bumped into this instrument?
No. There are people that play this instrument from Chipinge.
Really?
And in Chipinge there is a more popular one, Mbira Zevandao, quite different from this one, but it's a thumb piano as well.
Okay.
But it's more dominant that side.
Really?
Mbira Zevandao, yes.
Do we have some, besides yourself,
Yeah.
do we have some other artists who have made it to the radio level, so to speak, not going international,
Yes,
but radio
so
level,
far.
they've recorded, or maybe on a 7 single? Do we have any?
So far I haven't heard of any, but I know of a few that are playing, but haven't, recorded and gotten to the radio level, but they're there.
They are there.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
Yes, we are here to know a little bit more about yourself.
Yeah.
Currently, I know Zimbabweans have seen you and they have heard you on several radio stations, they've seen you on television, but we know your life is not static.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are moving.
Of
So
course.
I want to start from when I saw you were at the Baradzanwa Mbira Festival.
Yeah.
I think it is first of its kind?
Yes, first of its kind.
How did you find yourself there?
I would say that was a privilege and an honor to have been part of such a huge festival. First of its kind, hundreds of Mbiras were there, I'm sure you saw that.
Yes, yes.
And having have been selected to be part of the 20 that were, performing and representing Zimbabwe was just something else.
Wow.
It's a privilege and an honor to have been there and to have had, been a representative for other women that are also doing music.
What do you think made it possible for them to choose you?
I think consistency, and you can see my digital footprint. I've done so much, and I think they just looked at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, and being an ambassador for Zimbabwe, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
All right.
Yeah.
We still on Baradzanwa Festival.
Yeah.
The guest of honor was the first lady.
Yeah.
Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa.
Yeah.
And several ministers who were the Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Tourism, Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, National and Central,
Yeah.
and playing to that kind of an audience with the government ministers and the who is who, you know, who were among the people who were at Baradzanwa Festival. How did you take that?
Like I said, it was a privilege, and for me also, they say charity begins at home. So, you know, having an audience like that is uplifting and also very encouraging. By the time we get to the international level, we know this is appreciated back at home. By the highest level, we are appreciated. So it gives us morale for us to, keep on keeping on. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about the government dignitaries who were there. We also had traditional chiefs who were there for you guys.
Yeah.
Tell us what it, what it tells in a Zimbabwean story where you are at a Mbira Festival with traditional chiefs are there, government officials are there, and we also have several Mbira players at Baradzanwa Mbira Festival.
I think, Mbira is also a bridge to our religion as well, because we've got the Zimbabwean culture, and having the chief being present there was just something else. It was something that, like you said, the first of its kind, being appreciated to that level, having the chiefs there, having the cultural custodians there, standing with us and saying we are proud of this instrument. I hope the government and whoever put this in place does it again, because it encourages, like you asked me when we started this interview, there are girls back there in Chipinge, there are girls all over Zimbabwe who are also going into this music, learning the instrument. Saka vakaona izvozvo vanowana simba rekuti aiwa isu kwedu zvinotodiwawo, zvinotopururudzirwa, zvinotofarirwawo. Chief vanenge varipo, first lady varipo, maminista aripo, apana ari kushora mbira dzedu dzakatocheneswa ipopa.
Right. At that festival, I also realized that some Mbira gurus were honored, looking at the Chigambas, Sekuru Gora, Beulah Joko, the Stella Chiweshes, and many others. What does that say to all of us when the Mbira players, especially those who have gone to be with the Lord, are being honored with this Second Republic?
I would like to say, like I said, charity begins at home. You'll find that most of those people have been honored out there in the world. They have toured, they've been on the highest level out there in the world, but it hadn't happened here. So, for them to be recognized like that in their home country, I think I would like to think that was exciting, encouraging, and uplifting for them, and also serves us as encouragement for us to keep on keeping on, because tomorrow it's also us who are going to receive that kind of recognition, but we would have worked hard enough for us to get to that level.
Okay, among those who were honored, whom do you revere? Whom do you say I love to listen to their music, even if they are not here with us?
I listen to all of them, but I think Mbira Beulah Joko, Mbira Stella Chiweshe, Sekuru Chigamba, he was there, by the way. Sekuru Chigamba taught me how to play the chipendani. And Mbira Beulah Joko, you can see her, you can see a digital footprint. You can also listen to her music. It's classic. We haven't had anything like that in a while. You hear the Mbira, you hear the voice, it's distinctive. You can actually tell from a distance that that song playing is Mbira Beulah's song. So for me, I think it was well deserved for Mbira Beulah Joko.
Looking forward to such kind of festivals, what's your thinking?
I think we should have a bit more of those. Like I said, hopefully the organizers keep on organizing something like that, where we get platforms to perform, showcase. I'm sure you had the First Lady say that they should also involve Mbiras in whatever programs they'll be doing, be it chiefs, be it festivals and stuff, so that we uplift this instrument. We don't have any other instrument that identifies us as Zimbabweans. Mbira is the soul of Zimbabwe.
Mbira is the soul of Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
There was a message again from Minister Sanyatwe.
Yeah.
You spoke a lot about the history and surrounding the Mazoe area and the liberation struggle. So
Yeah.
what did you pick from there?
You know,
I'm putting you on spotlight.
on the spotlight, and it's okay. From what he said, he explained the history of the Mazoe area, and he explained its significance to Ambuya Nyanda. And he explained kushanda kwaita Mbira nguva iyoyo kuti Mbira ndo dzakatopa signal kuti kuno kwaipa. Vakataura vakati Mbira dzinorapa, Mbira heals. Vakataura vakati Mbira ndo yanga iri communication yedu nevadzimu. Zvekuti matroops paakazondosvika kumazoe, zviri kunzi muchembere vakanga watoudza varasekwa. Asi communication yanga yabva papi? Ndo panobva stare rekunzi the Mbira nhare. Ndo parinobva iro stare kuti the Mbira nhare. The Mbira nhare now, it's some others call it the Mbira dzevadzimu or the Mbira nhare. Nare loosely translates to a phone. Okay. So that was the line of communication between our ancestors and the living. Hence the communication, zvekuti vakatozosvika pasina munhu. Mbira yakanga yarira, inonzi yakarira. I think minister vakataura vachiti yakarira pachisonja. Yakarira pachisonja zvekuti vakabva vaziva kuti kwaita hondo. Handiti, saka Mbira yakatotaura. Ndokuva nhare kwacho as a message from the ancestors. Ndokuzonzi Mbira nhare kwacho.
Okay. I'm speaking of several things because you are an ambassador, because we saw you on stage where 20 Mbira players were there. So you are representing Zimbabwe. We are not just talking to yourself alone.
I know.
So we want you to expand.
Yeah.
Mbira and tourism.
Yeah.
The Minister of Tourism was also there.
Yeah.
How do you think, or what is it that is in place that encompasses Mbira players together with the tourist resort areas or as an instrument? What is in place?
I would like to think zvichirimo mugadziriro, but I would speak for Victoria Falls. You go to Victoria Falls, you find Mbira players. And I think for a lot of our resort areas, arikutanga kuvhurwa. Amai mentioned paya kuti tine nzvimbo dzatiri kuvhura dzatichada kuti Mbira dzizenge dzichirira. So tourism neMbira zvinofambirana kudai. Nekuti tatava tikati Mbira ndo yedu yemuZimbabwe, Mbira is the soul of Zimbabwe. Any tourist anosvika muno muZimbabwe anosvika anofanira kunge achigamuchirwawo nemusic yedu, inova music yedu yechivanhu, Mbira dzedu dzepasi, Mbira dzavadzimu idzodzi. Saka ndinofunga kuti zvakanaka zvikurusa zvavari kuita, nekuti Mbira iri kurira kuVictoria Falls. I can attest to that. Iri kurira kuVictoria Falls. Mbira iri kurira paGreat Zimbabwe. Iye zvino Mbira yakarira paBaradzanwa. Saka ndiri kuona kuti tiramba tichisimudzika and netourism tichidai, aiwa charity begins at home. Zvatangira muno tichazozvinzwa futi zvakubuda kupi kunze, asi zvizikanwa kunzi Zimbabwe kunorira Mbira.
What do you think we are not doing as a media fraternity towards the Mbira instrument and the artist? And media is a huge span.
Yeah.
Putting you on spotlight, and you are talking about Mbira as a Zimbabwean instrument.
Yeah.
Do you think you are having enough airplay? Do you think we have enough support from the media? You can expand from that.
Honestly speaking, not really. There is a lot more you could do for this instrument. Airplay to begin with. I don't think we have enough Mbira music playing on the radio. I don't think there is enough Mbira music playing on our televisions. I think when somebody wants to release a single or something like that, anofana kutosimba ne social media. But muno tine ma radio stations, tine ZBC. Pane dzimwe nguva dzekuti unogona kupepuka pakati peusiku 1 AM pamwe wapedza pera. unoda kubatiza TV unoda kusangana nemusic yedu yepapi yepano organic hausangani naye maybe pano nepapo saka I would like to encourage media houses to push this instrument, to play the Mbira music, to play the organic Mbira instrument, Mbira music. Neuti tikasairidza isusu akuna anomboiridza. So I think tika move out in that spirit iri kufamba nayo naamai nevanhu vese vakanga vari paya. Aiwa tinogona kutobuda nechinhu chedu chakanaka.
Going international.
Yeah.
I introduced you as an international artist.
Yeah.
How international are you?
Yeah. Very international.
Yeah.
I have an upcoming tour, by the way, German tour. I'll be playing at Moto Moto Festival in Cologne, Germany, Cologne, on the 25th of July. And I also have a bit of some workshops from the 16th of July, right up to the 25th in Germany as well, but in Berlin. So we've already gone international.
Okay. Is it your first time going international?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been to.
We'll expand more.
Yeah.
Tell us about this festival that you are going to perform.
Yeah.
Are you going to be the only person coming from Zimbabwe, or you are going with other artists, or you are also going to perform with other artists from other countries? Tell us more about this event.
Well, the Moto Moto Festival. Well, there is going to be other Zimbabwean artists, Mbeu, Silent Ngo. There's a whole lot. I could mention a lot. There's a whole lot coming from here, from Zimbabwe, and others that will meet that side as well, who are German-based, and then we're also going to have German musicians. But it's just not only me that is going. Munyamataro is also going to be in Cologne for the Moto Moto Festival. So yeah, it's a whole lot of us. That festival is merely pushing Zimbabwean music to the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. And what does that mean to us as Zimbabweans?
It means that we've gone global. It means that our music is now being heard elsewhere, and that is what we're looking for. So Moto Moto ndeyedu maZimbabweans, by Zimbabweans, for Zimbabweans, but tiri kuitira kuGermany. Kwatiri kuti tiri kunosvika tichiti izvi ndo zvinorirawo kwedu. Those are the same people vachazouya futi kunoko vachiti takanzwawo mbira rega timbonyatsoona pamudzi padzo pobva paitika tourism yatataura nezvayo, saka zvakatikoshera.
Would you want to speak to Zimbabweans that are in Germany and in Europe to come and grace that occasion?
Yes, of course. Of course, guys. I mean, yeah. Of course, guys, I'm Tendai Mavengeni. I'm inviting you to Moto Moto Festival on the 25th of July, 2026 in Cologne, Germany. Uyai titambe mbira dzekwedu. Tinozviziva kuti kana muri kunze uku, you are starved of Zimbabwean live music. We are bringing organic music to you. Sezvairi tiri kuuya nayo, saka uyai tigodzana. Hanzi kwatinobva kunorira mbira, kwatinoenda kunorira mbira.
Impururu nengori kofutani. There you are, Zimbabweans. We are speaking to Tendai Mavengeni. She'll be in Germany, in Cologne, and as you can see on the graphic on the screen, that's where she will be. It will be very nice to see a multicolored audience that have got Zimbabweans who will also be supporting our Zimbabwean music ambassadors playing the thumb piano. Mbira ndo zita rayo chairo. Yes, we also want to know, because I'm not a very good reader. You spoke of you said this is not your first international that you have gone to. Where else have you gone to, and who have you played with on the same stage?
Yeah, I've shared the stage with Dr. Oliver Mtukudzi, with Felinandi, with Mbeu, with a whole lot from this side, and with Kate Griffin from the UK, and with Linus from the UK, and with Merlin from the UK. It was a UK tour, and we started in making tracks. So I was the only Zimbabwean on that tour, so I got to teach the Mbira, and I also got to perform with artists from all over the world. I got to perform with Machume Zango from Mozambique, Kate Griffin from the UK, Merlin from Scotland. So yeah, it's I've visited quite a lot. Okay. South Africa, Tanzania, Zambia, Shingofamba na Rhodesi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Except Wedza, my area.
We're coming to Wedza. Very soon we're doing a Zimbabwean tour. We're going to be doing a Zimbabwean tour. We'll definitely do Wedza. Wedza, we're coming to you.
There you are, Wedza people.
Yeah.
She's coming.
Yeah.
After my persuasion.
Definitely.
Okay. When you were abroad teaching,
yeah,
how is the Mbira appreciated by those people in Europe or wherever you have taught this thumb piano?
Mbira is loved out there. They appreciate Mbira to a level yekuti unoti kokumba kwedu sisi kunyatsokusumudzirwa chaizvo wani tichizongotendawo nechirongwa chakazoitika ichi chekuti dzakusimudzirwa, but by then you'd go there, play the Mbira, and Europeans would get so fascinated. How are you doing it? How are your fingers moving? Can you teach me how to do that? Wes ukatozoimba maongereda, they want to sing like that. They say, what do you feel when you play the Mbira? Teach me how to play the Mbira. And you would find, even if you go on social media, there are a lot of white people that can now play the thumb piano, and you can see kuti iri kuridzwa chaizvo zvine unyanzvi, vakaisa moyo wavo pambira zvimwe zviri serious. That is why taoti Mbira netourism zvinofambirana kudai, nekuti munhu iyeye haachazopereri ipapo, anoti no, I need to go see kunonyatsogadzirwa Mbira yacho, ndinyatsoona kuti kubva papi. It's a fascinating instrument to them. Yeah.
Is it difficult for them to then be able to play dongi mombe mbudzi?
Yeah. It takes a bit of time because remember, you're teaching somebody from scratch. They've never seen the instrument. And for others, vanokurumidzawo, but vazhinji, they take a bit of time because remember, at the same time, they want to learn how to play the instrument, and they also want to know the culture of the instrument. They also want to know the origins of the instrument. Saka dzimwe zvinonova wandira zveseka one. And also Pete said, you know what, I'm going to write a book about this.
Okay.
And then they're so fast documenting. They document, they do biographies. I've had 4 or 5 students from the UK, from China, from Australia, right? Thesis on the Mbira, and Tendai being the main topic. Okay. Because they want to understand how are you playing this? How are you doing it? They're like, you know what, let's document this. I'm doing my PhD, and I'm going to, write my thesis, and you're going to be the topic of the thesis. That's how they love the Mbira. Yeah.
I'm ashamed of myself because I've not done an interview with you, and other people have written books.
Yeah. Other people.
They're foreigners.
Yeah, they're foreigners. Oh my God. They've graduated. Nema thesis.
We have some homework to do. Okay, coming back home.
Yeah.
You have been in the industry since tender age.
Yeah.
Now, how many albums do you have to your credit, or how many songs do you have?
Okay, 3 albums so far, and we're doing the 4th now.
Okay.
First album, Destiny. Second album, Tendai. Third album, Jah Prayzah. And the 4th is What We're Cooking.
Really?
Yeah.
You already backing?
Yeah.
Mixing the ingredients?
Yeah. We're done. We're done. We're just waiting to release. We're done.
So tell us, when are you going to release it? I'm inquisitive.
So I'm going to give you a single first.
Okay.
Because I'd been off the scene for a bit. I was doing a bit of some schoolwork and all that. And, I had just, gone a bit off the scene. I was teaching in universities, and I said, you know what, one thing at a time. But now we're back. So as the fans were starved, we're going to present a single first.
Okay.
And that single, I think I'm going to release it next week.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be the first person to, listen to it, of course.
Wow.
But
great.
yeah,
thank you so much.
You're here on the show, you're definitely going to hear it.
We appreciate
it. So you're going to be the first people to, listen to it after the producers, of course. And so guys, there's new music coming your way.
I'm a person known to be licensed to be a very big gossiper. Can you give us a little bit so that me and my fans, so that it's not me and
you only.
give us
It's you and your fans.
Me
All
and,
right.
my
You and your
fans, and
family. They're no longer
Zimbabweans.
fans. They're family.
So
Yeah.
what's the title of the single before you play it?
All right. I song inonzi Zvaramba.
Zvaramba.
Yeah.
Before you go into it, there's Zvaramba.
Okay, in this single, I am talking about the hardships that we're facing. Kune munhu agara mu marriage 20-15 years haana mwana. Kune atotsvagawo basa akapedza chikoro zvaramba. Kune vane urwere vari kurwarirwa zvimwe zvokuti unogara unoshaya kuti Mwari apa tichaita sei. Saka uyu muteuro watiri kuchema kuvadzimu vedu kuti tadzoka vakuruwe apa toita sei nekuti tega zvadi zvaramba. Chitungamirai muri imimi apa pazvatikunda.
I can't wait. Can you start playing it for us? Thank you so much.
Vana vanozara mukuruwe, misha ine nzara mukuruwe, mabasa aramba mukuruwe, musha handina mukuruwe, mbereko yaramba mukuruwe, mwana handina mukuruwe, upenyu hwangu waramba kusvika paya pandaida, waramba upenyu hwangu waramba kusvika paya pandaida, waramba ndaedza zvese zvaramba. It's just a taste.
I wish you had not stopped. There you are, Zvaramba.
Yeah.
What a piece of music, interweaving of the thumb piano from a beautiful lady here by the name Tendai, and it's sounding so nice. So is it just Mbira, or it has a fusion?
No, this one is just Mbira.
It's just Mbira.
This one is just Mbira, our traditional instruments, of course.
Okay.
Mbira being the main instrument, hosho, and mutumba.
Wow.
Tatisuda kutaura nevakuru kudzokera kunoti tadzoka pari kuda nhare yatati tataura iya nhare yedu yatati tinotaura navo ndo yatakashandisa.
So who is invited at the launch?
I'm yet to start inviting media houses, but you, of course, definitely, you and your family are definitely going to make it. I'll do a media tour, of course, and then launch the single.
The single.
Yeah.
Okay. Among the albums that you have produced so far that are in the market there, where do you get most of your sales? In Zimbabwe or abroad?
Quite frankly, abroad. Quite frankly, I'm happy you asked this question, and the one you asked earlier when you said, are we doing enough as the media or as the broadcasting, you know, in Zim. You could do a lot for Mbira players, because kutaura chokwadi kunze Mbira dziri well appreciated. Vanoteerera music, they stream online, vanotenga. Kunokuwo atishori tinavo vanotenga munomu, atishori tinavo, but hazvina kusumuka semasumukira zvakaita kunext door.
Okay. You are playing Mbira. Do you come from a family that plays Mbira? You said yes, from the area that you come from, in Chipinge there. A lot of people do play. Where did you get it from? Who inspired you? Is it a family member? Or
my dad, when I grew up, my dad played a lot of traditional instruments. But vainyanya kuridza music yambia stela chiweshe chioniso marare embula chikoko. And I remember that time
playing records
of cassettes, not the instrument.
Right.
So player, there was a video those days PaZBC pairidzwa ka video kambia vakasiya vana vachingo chema, and you know the venue yenge kazava, and it was like, you mean she's actually playing abroad?
Okay.
I was 9 by then. I got fascinated and I was like, I think I want to try this. So he was friends with James Buzuzi, who was then playing for Bongo Love. So, you know, I think mudarirawo ure machinda vakaudza nokuti Bururu mwana wangu ari kutaura ndakudzidza Mbira ndiani angadzidzise mwana wangu Mbira. And you know, James said, mugroup redu mubongo love mimi munoridza Mbira. I trust him enough. I think anogona kudzidzisa Tendai. And that person was my first Mbira teacher. His name is Trimo Jombo. So in the streets they know him as Gucci kana kuti Itu. Ndiye akave first Mbira teacher wangu. And I think the fascination kuna baba vangu yakakura manje kuti mwana yabva yanya kufarira Mbira, and then he started digging down to research kuti ndiani akamboridza Mbira. Then he found out kuti sekuru vavo baba ndo vaitoridza Mbira. Saka Mbira dziya dziri kuno tozotsvaga kuti Mbira dzasekuru kune munhu akuridza kuno. Mbira dzasekuru dzakazofamba sei, you know, in the family, but now takuziva kuti dzakamboridzwa nani na sekuru. And kuzodzidziswa na Trimo bva vazoendawo nto vandasanda kudzidziswa nemumwe Brezhnev Gouveia took over ndidzidzisa futi Mbira after Brezhnev amigo mkucha. Mbira adzimire kudzidzwa vozwa kugara paside pemunhu dai mutonzwa rukuru rwake kuti sekuru avanenge vari kukwenya nepamwe sekuru mbotoratidzawo kandepapa wotoona kuti saka ziri kuenda nekuenda, but vakanyanya kundidzidzisa ndichitanga Trimo Jombo, Brezhnev Gouveia, amigo mkucha.
I'm happy that you were supported by your father. A lot of people, when they enter into the music scene, especially in Zimbabwe, they are discouraged, whether it's playing banjo, guitars, or Mbira. But your parents did encourage you. But then how was the society looking at you? A young, beautiful lady has got a desert there, a calabash and the thumb piano, and you are playing. Didn't you face some negative...
I was discriminated like that. You know, around a society, they would tell my dad kuti udoti mwana aite rombe ndozoda kuti mwana chatadzakana kuenda kuchikoro nezvaota zviro pedza mari, because by then it was very expensive kuti wagadzira Mbira. And Trimo aigara ku Meberain ini ndichigara kuSunningdale. And remember, I was very young, saka hapana kuti unokwira kumbuchenda wega. Dad would have to drive me from Sunningdale to Meberain ndoita lesson rangu reMbira, todzoka futi mangwana todzoka futi, ende kuzoona munhu abata. Saka baba vangu vakaita chido nokuratidza kuti rega ndite zvinhu zviri kudani zvida mwana wangu ndozvari kuda rega tiite izvozvo, but he was discriminated muraini zvisingaiti hapana kuita zvinhu zvechirombo hapana. Saturday vamwe vana vari kuenda kuswimming, kubasketball, unodzidzira muri kutora wenyu muchiendesa kuMbira. And inini hangu by then it didn't really affect me because I was young really, so I would just go for lessons.
You didn't know about
I didn't even know about expenses. It was a hobby. It was a hobby. And
traveling too.
Traveling to and from. It was a hobby, and traveling. Tichiona nyika tichifamba tichienderera.
You're going to Harare to learn Mbira.
And you know, after that, ndazo tikure ndaudzaka Moffat Primary School, takuenda kuchikoro, you know, kugamuchirwa nereception yacho hazvina kunyatso kugamuchirika zvakanaka, especially mune mamwe mastudents kuti wakuchikoro uri kuridza Mbira. You know, of course I was doing swimming, basketball, netball. I was an athlete as well, but main ranga riri dese. Saka riri dese kudaro vaitondidiscriminata zvimwe zvaitorwadza zvekuti some of the events ndikamaremember ndopa ndaifanira kunge ndakasiya Mbira ipapo, because bashing yacho yanga yakaita sei, yanga yakawanda. Nemune mudzimu ndezvekuroya, uchazoita mashavi, wazoda chiondepo unenge usiri uri wrong because unoridza chi. So I persevered a lot of that up until inozongopera ka primary school. Yazopera primary school atazomove on kuenda ku Meberain Girls High, and oh my God, I think baba vangu that was the best decision he ever made to take me to that school. Because takanosvika pari kuitwa music, pane music department, and pane Mbira, but Mbira dzaipo dziripo dzanga dziri nyunga the 15 key. Saka zvina kurema kuti nditambirwe boss dacha say takatanga kuti saka tidzidzisewo. And now, you know, I played the Mbira up to national level ndiri kuchikoro. Now head vanga vakutofonerwa neministry tokumbira Tendai, Minister of Education vari kuhosta counterpart from South Africa, so we wanted Tendai to play the Mbira, and we went to a lot of those. Cresta tiri kuJameson. So now zvazvakunakidza because ministry yanga yakubhadhara. So now I'm getting money. I'm getting money out of this.
This so-called instrument, which people are looking at
on the cake. Now it's icing on the cake, which Zvinotobhadhara kaizvi. Zvinotonakidza. And remember kuti back then bukafe yanga ichiri kulana. Papa and sisters open mic. Waitwa open mic, obva wapiwa mari. Wainyusatsira kusvika padhoda kuperforma, obva waredza. Wapiwa chi? Mari. Then papa zaitwa ana Pamberi Trust and stuff. Aiwa. Mari yakuchase ichiuya takuona kuti zvinotobhadhara kaizvi ndiri kuchikoro. Got to a level where like I don't remember baba vangu vakapedzera kutenga uniform yechikoro rinini. Because now I was just getting uniforms from the school, uniforms and blazers, because I would represent the school. So I was getting uniforms and blazers from the school, and I would represent that. It was a lot of fun. Kwenda kumeborain girls, I was the best decision my dad ever made, and we had a supporting head as well. My Mtanda was very supportive of the Mbira. So that family, even up to now, I teach at Meborain Girls. I teach Mbira, I do choral practice at Meborain. Saka, the journey was not easy. Zvaimborwadza zvichirwadza kuti watosvika pano watonzi kana uri Zambira kana machavi hazvitoiti hatitoda kana kumona kana madhimoni asina kuzviona mwana afanira kunamatirwa mufamily baba otonyorerwa message yekunzi tanzwa kuti mwana ari kuri Zambira mwana ngaanamatirwe.
Wow.
You know how I think it hurt my dad also, and some of these things vakatozotanga kundiudza ndakura uzepoedza ndikarapepe ndakambonzi zvakati. Because I think maybe nevanga vakatontaura ndakadika dai ndakazvisiya. So with the current programs that are running now, ekuti Mbira takutounganawo semagwenya Mbira takunzi ridzai kuti batana, we want to support you as a country. Zvinhu zvekuti like I said, mwana akandiona ndichiridza Mbira achazovhunduki, akutoziva kuti aiwa Mbira yedu yakaita sei yakanaka, akukwanisa kutoiridzawo asingatyi. But zvinoitika nekuburitsa nekunge tazvipushawo semaZimbabweans, iva mamedia house vapushawo kuti ndo music yedu iyi, the soul of the country. Yeah.
Talking about going forward with the Mbira, there's a new invention, artificial intelligence, making music with AI.
Yeah.
Do you think that is going to affect you, or do you welcome that? What's your perception about AI?
Honestly, I don't think it's going to affect us as Mbira players.
Why?
Because organic music will always be organic music. Not to bash AI, nekuti ine vari kutobenefita nayo, ine vari kugona kuishandisa, vatoita masells avo zvavari kuita. Asi isusu semagwenya Mbira, kuti uzori kwenenzvera deze apa ratataura kuti rinotaura nevakaenda kare rere, unge wapfunya chisero, waribata deze, waritekenya. Saka I don't think that is going to affect us, because isu zvedu zvinoda soul. Kuti zvitoendeka kuti unzwe kuti deze rakuwa rinoda chi soul, and rinoda the human touch. So I don't think that is going to affect us as Gwenya Mbiras, because isu zvedu ndezvepasi.
So Mbira is like a smartphone. It doesn't work before you touch it.
Aiwa hapana mumushini vanozozvitawo kavarekodha, anogona kungorekodha kapati vozotanga kuti vanonzi maloops vachidi basi tataura kuti dzedu dzepasi chaidzo dzotataura dzai dzakarira iri warning Baradzanwa kuna mbuya nehanda dzakarira dziya aiwa hadziitiki kana mushini dziya dzatataura dzevakuru dzepasi aiwa hadziitiki, dzinotoda kuti tinge takaribata deze tichiri tekeni. Saka isusu handifungi kuti isusu tiri affected.
So can we safely say that Mbira Festival at Baradzanwa was a launch of restore legacy of the Mbira instrument?
Yes, I think makanzwa minisa chara kuti tadzorerwa umbilical cord. Saka tadzokera pedu chaipo patinofana kunge tiri, ndo patadzokera hapo nedezi iri.
I know we can talk until tomorrow, because I think you're supposed to be a broadcaster. You're in the wrong profession.
Dress up CV, maybe I can, you know.
Most of them are pasna pana kusina mukote. Right. You were talking about going to Meborain Girls High, and then after Girls High, what happened later in terms of education?
Yeah. I did my O-levels, brilliant. Did my A-levels, brilliant. Now I'm in uni. Yeah. So, true push up.
What are you studying?
ndikuudzi
You are in uni.
muchazoona tapfeka chi down cap yacho
Hatiri kukudaidzwa kana kusadaidzwa. Hatimboza kunowanikwa magate crusher.
aiwa ari kuonoi.
The reason why I'm asking you about this is because you yourself, you have been talking about the negative forces that were brought about by people. And the perception was you were not going to go maybe further with education. And we also wanted to send a message out there that you cannot separate the two, playing Mbira and going to school.
You cannot.
Can you tell us the advantage?
You can.
One of it, maybe I can put your words in your mouth, that you are also teaching Europeans how to play Mbira.
How to play Mbira.
So you need to converse well in order for you to pass on the message.
Exactly.
Tell us, exactly. I'm not interviewing myself. What's the advantage?
Any other talent, rinenge riri muropa. Ukanimutsa na 1 am ukatiridza Mbira ndotoridza. But kuchikoro ndofana kutodzidza. Ndigoverenga sezvinoitwa neupi mwana. Ndigoisawo effort, ndigostanda kuti ndiri form 4, I need to pass my O's. Saka izvi hazvife zvakakanganisa chikoro. Because izvi tati zviri muropa kaizvi. Zvekuchikoro ndozvaunodini, ndozvaunodzidziswa kuti 1. Izvi zviri mubloodline, tati idzi ndedzepasi zviri mubloodline. Saka izvi hazvife zvakavhiringidza. I did my O levels, exceeded well, and another subject wanda ndakafoira. Ndakaenda A level. Andina kana kapi.
But anyway, I'm privileged to be speaking to the fundis.
Ndakaenda ku A level. Andina makapa. Ndakaenda ku Zimbabwe College of Music. My distinctions ndinawo. Right now I'm in uni. Ndine pass and proceed. Pass and proceed. Zvakanaka. Like I told you before, kuti ndakambotora gap year from music. Ndikati ndodaisa focus yangu kuti ndatanga ndikati zvekuchikoro ndozvaunodini. Ndozvaunodzidzira chaizvo uchigara pasi. Inini hangu ndega personally ndakaona kuti I wasn't going to be able to balance kuti ndoda kuti ndigare for my exams aya, then ndoda kumhaisana nemashows andikachipera kuma 1 am. I said, you know what? Ndikangoti mbichana nditore ma lectures. And now I'm in uni. Ndinotodzidzisa music abroad. I've done with the University of Finland, University of California, University of Czech, University of Cape Town. Kwanongoma I've done. MSU I've done, UZ I've done, so many universities, Scotland, I've done a lot. Awo ndichidzidzisa Mbira, ende kuti udzidzise Mbira dzine manotes kana wakudzidzisa kunzoko. Kuno kundokwa tinodzidzisana tichiti dongi, mombe, mbudzi. Kana wasvika uko wakufana kuziya number notation. Wakugadzira number notation, wakutati thumb piano, wakufana kuziya cross section yacho yepiano kuti yakamira sei. Kuti umudzidzise anzwisise munhu anenge ari paside pako kuti tatiti kuti left thumb iri kupressa 5, right thumb iri kupressa 3, ndokuti zvibudise sound, zvibudise chord. Inenge takutotaura music, takutotaura language yemusic, chord progression, ayamaquaver, ayamaminimum, zvichiaplya kumbira. Zvichifana kunzwisisa ndava uyu munhu abhadhara, arikufana kupiwa service yake yakakwana, arikufana kudzidza, unofana kubva akugona kuridza mbira iyoyo. Saka zvese izvo zvinonida, zvakunida chikoro manje. Zvakunida chikoro mukapinda mauniversity zvinowana MSU, I think vakutodzidzisa macourses music management, I think management in business yemusic iya yekuti unozozviita sei. Zvaya zvekunzi music ndemarombe inema chaidzo. Nirombe rakaitwa ngenini. Aiwa ariko.
Pamwe wakauvhiga kuseri kwesu.
Aiwa uchikwana ikoko. Unotongooneka kakuti tikutaura kuti takutaura digital footprint yatinayo kuti zvakati. Saka simba rangu riri pakuti ndiite zvinhu zvakawanda zvinonwisa mvura zvekuti those girls back in Chipinge, a girl in Bikita, a girl in Gweru, that small Tendai who is being discriminated kuti rega Mbira, akaita look up kuti no, there is Tendai made it. Tendai was there at the Baradzanwa Festival. Tendai is going to Moto Moto. Tendai has been to Tanzania. Tendai has been to South Africa. Tendai has been to Germany. Tendai has been to Europe. Anowana simba rikuramba achizviita. Tisaita let down munhu uya ari kutukwa. Nokuti inini pandai shora peseka. My go-to reference was Ambuya Stella, Chioniso, Beulah. They made it. They made it into the international market. Saka ndaingoti, you know what? I'm going to get there.
Yeah, I remember also, I don't know, my current affairs is not up to date. There was also Chatro Dutiro teaching Mbira at Source University,
Exactly.
School of
Yes.
African and Oriental Studies
You see?
in UK. Teaching Mbira.
Achitodzidzisa
Zakashoreka idzodzo.
achitogara
Neo,
ikoko.
kutamba.
There is Jacob Mafuleni and the late Martha Mafuleni, of course. Jacob would be playing Mbira and drums. Martha would be singing, dancing, and playing the wushu. And I remember talking to them because Jacob Mbira yangu yakatogadzirwa naMafuleni. Jacob ndiye anogadzira mbira dzangu, and the late Martha used to teach me how to dance. So we had a relationship yatanga kuti mai na baba. They told me that they toured Europe several times. This house that you see us building, the money is not coming from anywhere else. It's coming from kudzidzisa kwatiri kuita mbira idzi. Saka usambofa wakaudzwa kunzi mbira dzinoshoreka. The late Oliver Mtukudzi also had that conversation with me. The time when he was still, building Pakarepaya. He took my dad on a tour around Pakarepaya and he said, Mama Mavengeni, hakuna kumwe kuri kubva mari. Mari kubva kumagitari. Music pays. So we have several examples. Zvekuti vanhu vekuti vakatitaurira vakanga vaine zvinhu zvinobatika kuti ona vanhu vaindishora, but look at this. Saka mbira haisi yemarombe. Mbira inotochengeta. Mbira inotoendesa mberi. Hakuna rombe ringambodzi ragona kudzidzisa mumanzi mungezi achibata. Kuti anofanira kunzwisisa. Saka kuti azonzwisisa tapedza kuridza. Unenge wadzidzisa zvinhu.
Speaking of that, you've been speaking rombe. I want to know, what's a rombe? Anyway.
I was about to say, you don't know a rombe.
I don't know what's a rombe.
No.
I don't even know what's a namo.
Go do your research and know what's a rombe, what's a namo.
There's also a perception that ladies who are in the music industry, they are classified in the same WhatsApp group as prostitutes.
Speaking for myself, I am a very grounded person. Very, very grounded. I think simba rangu rakabva pakuti baba vangu vaishorwa zvakanyanya. Ndichidzidza mbira vachinzi mwana akuzoita rombe. Yakatobuda inzwi kuti mwana akuzoita pfambi. Haamboipedzi form 4. Anoita pfambi, anomira straight. So on my side, it was more of not wanting to let my dad down. Like I told you, he had invested so much. Dzimwe nguva rufanira kubasa. Vakutombomhanya neni. Kuti ndodzidzira mbira. He wouldn't want me to miss a single lesson. So I did not want to let my dad down. Even up to now, I don't want to let my dad down. Vakatogara vakasekwa kudhara. Nzira Mavengeni chicha makaita. But iye zvino zvikusekwa kwavo kwakushoma because vakuti vanototaura kuti onai mhandara yangu. Tarisai muone zviri kuitwa nemwana wangu. Saka hopefully wherever you are, Dad, you know that I am this proud and I am not going to let you down anytime soon. Saka zvekunzi ipfambi ichichi, I think munhu kana angori pfambika ine ingori pfambi ndochokwadi. Kana ingori pfambi ine ingori pfambi zvekuzoti aridza mbira uku kwedu nditorina ndevapi vanenge verenga hakuna. Madzimai ese anoridza mbira we are grounded, very very grounded. Pataura kuti mbira ndeye pasi. Kuna munhu anotekaidza repasi anoita mafambiro asiririwo.
Iyo hakuna munhu anotekaidza repasi achiita mafambiro asiriwo, because this is a sacred instrument whereby you are supposed to live an upright life, because the spirit behind the instrument, which is God-given, is like what God says He doesn't want people to prostitute around and do the unthinkable and maybe do what Jesus wouldn't do. I'm speaking to Tendai Mavengeni, who has been supported by a father since maybe when she was 9 until I don't know. She grew up listening to music. She's touring Germany and she'll be performing there. She needs our support, especially to those Zimbabweans that are out there. Why am I saying Zimbabwean? Because the instrument is already being appreciated by the Europeans out there. But it is us who are letting our own ambassadors down. So yeah, there you are. We want to see you in Germany. You can still travel from France to Germany. I know I've lived in Europe. It costs you a few dollars or pounds or euros to go to Germany. Is there anything that you have never shared with a journalist or your dad or a family member of your friends that you are willing to say to me today?
In line with music?
Anything.
Oh.
Wasangane murumo makuwa.
Well, a lot of people don't actually know how my creative process works like. Maybe in the morning, ndara anozongonzwa ndakufoni ndoti dziva pane song yandofunga kuti zvinogoenda inofamba so mira mumboinzwa, because mostly ndo vanotanga kutonzwa zvandinenge ndabika. Toti izvi dewa mbonodzokera futi ngaimbomachuwa, in his words, ngaimbomachuwa timbonoti inobva isati yanyatsongosvika, then ozotokutaura kuti aiwa yasvika. So creative process yangu vanhu vazhinji havaiziva, because ndinongofunga kuti zviri weird in creative process yangu, because many a times I dream, but ndogona kurota song yakakwana ka ndonamuka ndane one line handichatoremembe ndakungotongoziva kuti panzi yowerere.
Like sugar dissolved.
Yeah, I just can't remember kuti what was being said, what did I dream of. But I have one line, so I wake up midnight ndotsvaga line rere record nondarara. Then in the morning I wake up and I say, okay, this line sounds like yowerere mambo, this sounds like wailing or something, so what can I write about wailing? Ndomuka ndonyora ndotsvaga kunyora zvine udzamu, tofoona kuti mudhara panosonga ndikunyora yakadai shona word ringaita kupinza apa ndiripi, what iri rinopinda ndati alright, it's okay. There are songs that I write like that. Then there are songs that I write because I'm a social commentator and an emotional artist at the same time. There are things that I see around. Unoona kuti munhu yatambura zvaramba, unoona kuti munhu yatambura zvaramba, economic hardships, kana dzimwe nguva ndotonyatsoona ndega life yangu inini kuti ndombogarawo pasi ndonyatsoti apa ndakurirwa apa, kana kuti aiwa apa zviri kuita totoimuka ndakaimba changamire, and it's a dancing tune. Ndozopedza sangu nyapa ndozoti I was in a joyful mood. Anditi saka you find kuti that creative process, many people don't know kuti ndiyo creative process ya Tendai, asi mazhinji ndoita yekurota, mazhinji anobva kumhepo.
So we should give you time to sleep.
Yeah.
You should not stay.
But manje azviuyi manje unogona kurota one nurse wozorota imwe after 6 months, wozorota imwe wozodai it's, but kazhinji kacho dzatinota dzacho aiwa ndo dzinoita mukurumbira wakanyanya, kunyatsonzwa kuti aiwa iri deze repasi.
Ini ndonzire madzibaba aSly rimwe zita rangu. So what I would want to do is unoziva kukurawo kwangu ndikunamatira kuti usazokanganwa.
Ndisazokanganwe.
Ndine showe rangu.
Ndoya madzibaba.
Haunonyatosvika totaura ndimi.
Tosvika totaura ndimi moti chakati mwana uyunga zvinomema kudiko, mema kutaurira vadzimu kuti mwana anga asakanganwe.
Very simple. Lord, may this hard drive not be corrupted.
Asi kuna virus inonopinda muhard drive zvinzokrasha. Zvinhu ngazvingamuke zvakakwana. And you know what happens at times?
I don't know.
Ndinotorota yakatokwana song yacho. Then I wake up ndotoimena ndati no, I'll remember the song. Come morning, I won't remember.
Amwe yakapenekeza kukubira. Ukubira masongs.
Zvakanaka bambo.
Tendai, we understand you're going to Germany. We have spoken a lot.
Yeah.
We could go on and on. You have come a long way.
Yeah.
CV is massive. It's got so many pages.
Yeah.
Your parting words and your words of wisdom to those people that are watching you right now on SMTV English channel. What is it that you would want to share with them as parting words?
I would like to thank the rest of the country for the support they've given me and abroad as well. And I would encourage listeners to keep on streaming our Zimbabwean music. Kwete yangu chete ya Tendai, takawanda Magwenya Mbira mu Zimbabwe. And kune avo vachine vana vachiri vadiki, itayo vadzidze mbira ndo dzavo idzi. Ukaenda kuChina munosvika vana vavo vachitowo zvavanoita kuChina, ukaenda kwakati munosvika tuchitowo ikoko. Saka itowo kuti wako mwana aitewo chake chanoti ndechekumusha kwangu chandakadzidza. So hopefully we meet in Germany, Cologne or Berlin, and hopefully we also meet in the UK. I might just have a UK tour very soon, and if that's out, I'll share the dates, and hopefully we meet.
Tell us the date again for the Cologne.
Cologne, Moto Moto, Germany, Cologne, on the 25th of July 2026. You can get more details at Earground TV, or you can search Moto Moto Festival in Obuda.
Where do we find you on social media handles?
Yeah.
If you want your music as well.
Yeah, Tendai Mavengeni on Facebook. There are 2 pages, Esakans Tendai Mavengeni. Then YouTube is Tendai Mavengeni as well. Twitter, Tendai Mavengeni. Instagram, Tendai Mavengeni _official. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I want to say thank you for affording us this interview.
Yeah.
We hope to meet you and speak about your journey to Germany and most probably United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Bring us fresh news, and we'll continue from where we left, because I know you are full of things that we need to take out there as a source of inspiration, because your life is a testimony on its own. It will encourage one girl out there, especially the girl child. Yeah. It will also encourage other instrument players, maybe a boy. The parents may not be, in that sphere where they know that at the end of the day they can make a living out of playing an instrument.
Yeah.
Thank you. There you have viewers. That's Tendai Mavengeni. She will be touring Germany, and she has made a plea to yourselves to come and support her, and also bring your fellow friends from other African countries with you, as well as your friends from Europe. We know and we understand your neighbors are now the white community, other nationalities from elsewhere. Tell them about ourselves through the instrument Mbira. This is what put Zimbabwe on a world map. I'm going to say bye-bye for now, but I didn't want to go because I wanted to speak and to know a lot more about Tendai. But Maichisamba would say chachuka chikakwata. Ladies and gentlemen, viewers all over the world, we want to thank you for your support on this program. Continue to share this program so that we reach out to so many people. There is Tendai Mavengeni for you. She will be back again on this program when she comes back from the international tour. My name is Sylvester Tafumane. I'm with Tatenda Magara Mapiri Mukanya Vakabata Kwete Mbira Asima Kamera Tinotenda.